Now that it's summer, it's a great time to start researching colleges and universities, particularly if you are a rising junior and especially if you are a rising senior in high school. No time like the present than to start seriously researching colleges and narrowing down your college selections. Here's why. During the summer, you'll have an opportunity to research as many schools as you're able to, understand what it takes to get accepted into those schools, look at your own academic and your just overall profile, and start to really make decisions about, am I prepared and do I meet the requirements of certain schools? And it gives you the ability to start to narrow down your focus and really focus on schools that you have the best chances of getting accepted into. Also, by researching schools during the summer, it gives you an opportunity to make sure that the colleges that you thought you were interested in, they have the academic majors and college programs that you're interested in taking. Wouldn't you want to know that as soon as possible? Because if a school doesn't have the programs you're interested in, you may want to redirect your efforts to find schools that do. I recently wrote a book and an accompanying workbook that's titled College Planning Strategies I Wish Someone Had Told Me. And I put together these resources to help middle and high school students such as yourself or your children to get accepted into college and to graduate debt-free. If you'd like to leverage these resources, because I think they can certainly make a difference in your college planning efforts, you can do so by visiting www.investinothers.com.